Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change power saving settings on SONY ZV-E10 II. So first of all, let's switch on the camera. Let's open menu of the camera, and in the menu scroll left to the sidebar, then scroll down to setup menu. Here in setup options we have to scroll down to the second page, and on the second page we have to find and open power setting option, and here you can adjust the auto monitor off for the camera and whether or not the monitor turns off itself. Now the power save start time, so basically the time of inactivity after which your camera goes into power saving mode, and here you can adjust it. Now the power save by monitor, which has 4 options, so both linked, open return, close power save, or does not link. And the temperature settings, so at what temperature your camera should auto power off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.